Hi everyone and welcome back to Pronunciation with Emma. In this video I'm going to take you through the British Phonemic Chart and how to pronounce the vowels. Now undoubtedly the one thing that people struggle with when they're learning English is the pronunciation, in particular the vowels. They are tough and a lot of them sound very similar to some speakers of certain languages. Now there are 12 monophthongs to go through, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. Don't rush through this, take your time. It's going to be a short video, just focus on your pronunciation just for a couple of minutes. I've also created a British Phonemic Chart just for you, completely for free. The link is down in the description. Download that and then watch this video and it will help you remember the symbols and the sounds, and you can start practicing at home completely for free. So let's begin with that first sound. E, E, please, I, pin, O, look, ooh, boot, bed, teacher, bird, or, court, cat, up, car, or, lock. So that's the end of this video. I hope it helped you with your British English pronunciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos to help you with your British English listening skills and your pronunciation, of course. Until next time guys, have a wonderful week. See you soon. Also, don't forget to download your IPA chart. It's completely free. It's in the description for you. I made it especially for you, so download that. Go back, rewatch the video if you need to, and start practicing the vowels.